Substandard.
Okay, first standard. Yes. Okay, fine. So, student, let's start our today's session. So, our session name is Thumbprint Workshop. Okay, so are you ready with all the material which I told you? So the previous, so like I'm repeating that material. So colors, sketch pen, drawing paper, then brush, etc. Okay. Uh, Yes, first of all, I would like to tell you about the agenda. So, what is the agenda for today's workshop? So, why this workshop I am taking? So, I'll tell you about that thing. So, why I'm taking this workshop? What is the thumb art? What is the finger art? Then learn theory about the fingerprint. So, we can first learn what exactly theory behind our fingers. Then we do one interesting and very useful activity. Check and observe our fingerprint structure. Then using a fingerprint, we can draw some animals, then flowers, etc. And the third activity will be make a thumb art. So we can make some art by using the thumb. Okay. Yes. So first of all, why this workshop? Why I'm taking this workshop? So as we know that little kids cannot handle this brush properly, right? So this is very easy activity for them. To draw by their hands. So to handle the paintbrush is quite difficult to them. So we can take this activity for the kids. Okay. Then the next thing with the finger pen printing activities, students can see their hands as a tool. So means what? So basically we can make number of things from paper like origami, we can make a boat, we can make a plane, and we use that thing as a tool. But in this activity we use our hand as a tool, and we make some interesting designs in this workshop. Then finger painting allows small children to experiment and explore the paint. Yes. So as you know, when in this workshop, when I told you one thing, then definitely I'm sure that you can add something in it. You can change the color. You can explore the paint. You can explore. You can mix the color. So likewise, you allow to children to experiment and explore the paint by using this workshop. And there is more concentration on the process. So, yes, right now the children are more focused on the target, what we get in the end result. So we are more focusing on that. But in this workshop, we are our main concentration on the process, how we are doing it, what kind of things we can add in this thing, this workshop. So this activity, so likewise we can take this workshop for the kids. The next thing is benefit of fingerprinting workshop. It can help children to develop a sense of creativity. Yes, of course. After this workshop, your creativity will get increased. Your imagination also increase. We know that small children cannot sit on one place for a long time. But I'm sure after this activity, students will sit. We increase their motor skills. So motor skills means sitting, running, jumping. So these kind of skills, we can call it as a motor skills. So sitting, we increase the patience in the student for sitting on a place for a long time. Then increase the eye-hand coordination. We can increase the eye-hand coordination throughout this workshop. And then intellectual ability that apply to the imagination. Yes, while drawing any paint, we always imagine something. So throughout this workshop, we imagine, we create, we invent the new things. So yes, this is all about the fingerprinting workshop, why I'm taking this and what are the benefit of this workshop. Now some little theory about the workshop. I know students, for few minutes you will get bored because I'm telling you some theory, but this is also very important. And our first activity is depend on this fingerprint. Okay. So fingerprint means what? Now everyone please show me your hand. Show me your hand like this. Yes. So in our hand, what is exactly the meaning of fingerprint? So the mark left behind after our ridges. So there are ridges on our fingertip. You can touch your fingertip and you can find the little rough surfaces there. Why that surface is a rough? Because we can hold the pen. Because of this rough surface, we can easily hold the pen, we can easily hold the brush, we can easily hold the other things. Just imagine if our hand tip is a smooth, then some things are easily falls down from our hand because it is not rough. So because of rough surface, we can easily hold the things. So the very important thing on this slide is a fingerprint is a mark left behind after the reaches on the fingers. So you can see our fingerprint, it look like this. Our everyone's hands fingerprint look like this. Okay. Now the next thing. These are the three types of the fingerprint. So first is the arc type, second is the loop type, and third one is the wall type. Okay. Can someone repeat for me these three things? Swara, can you tell me what are the three types of the finger structure? One is the arc. Yes, one is the arc. Second one is the loop, and third one is the wall. Okay. Yes. So I will ask this question again to Mrunmai. Okay. After this, I will ask this question to Mrunmai. Okay. So basically, there are three structures on our hand: arc, loop, and roll. Okay. The arc. What is mean by arc? So what is the arc structure? So basically, arc have a lines that start one side and rise and exit on the other side of the print. Okay, so what happened basically, it starts from this side. You can see it starts from this side and it will aims at this side and it forms the arc. We can call it as a hill, small hill, big hill. So we can find easily arc on our fingerprint. So okay, I'll stop for one minute. Can you tell me, do you understand till this point?
Yes.
Okay, okay, good. That's great. So basically arc is what? So these are the lines which starts at one end, one side and aims at other side. So this is very simple and we can easily identify the arc type structure. Okay. And we can see the small hills, large hills in this structure. Okay. The second one is the, wait a minute. Yeah. The second one is the loop type finger structure. So have a lines that enter and exit on the same side of the print. They look like an upside down U. You can see this is upside down U. And also it starts at one end and end at also on the same side. Okay. So ikdun I'll switch my language for Indian student. So basically आपण एका साइडनी स्टार्ट करतो आणि दुसऱ्या त्याच साइडला एंड करतो. आर्क मध्ये कसं होतं, ते एका साइडला सुरू होतं आणि दुसऱ्या साइडला ते संपतं. आणि लूप मध्ये तो ज्या साइडनी चालू होतो त्याच साइडला तो येऊन थांबतो. आणि इट लुक्स लाईक उलटा यू. वी कॅन से इट ॲज अ उलटा यू. So the second structure is a loop type structure. And the last one is the word. We can call this as a word. Have a circle that spiral and do not exit on another, either side of the print. Yes. So many of the people having the whole structure in on their fingertip. So basically this is a circle. You can easily find out this type of structure also on our fingertip. Okay. So now who will repeat this for me? What are the three types of the fingerprint structure? Yes, Mrunmai, can you tell me?
Yes.
Ha, yes.
Arc, loop, roll.
Roll. Okay, yes. Now, okay. Anushka, can you tell me arc type structure is look like what? You can give me answer in Marathi also. ते कसे दिसतात, आर्क टाइप स्ट्रक्चर कसे दिसतात, व्हॉट इट हाऊ इट लुक्स लाईक? Okay. Swara, can you give the answer of this question? How archetypes look like? Okay. It looks like hills. Okay. It looks like hills. Okay. And it starts at one end, one side, and ends on the other side. Okay. In the loop, it starts at one side and ends at on the same side. And in the whole, it is just a circle and it cannot end either both the side. Okay. It cannot end. Okay. So yes, our first activity, very interesting activity. So basically we have to observe our finger structure. Okay. For that, what you have to do, now I'll switch my camera. Okay. Are you able to see my paper?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
great. Yes, so our activity now going to start. So do you have this material? Yes, I checked 2 times with you. So drawing paper, watercolors, plate, then cloth or tissue paper, then sketch pen. Okay. So first you have to draw your hand on the paper. So let's start. Everyone, please draw your hand on paper, hand shape on the paper. I'll also draw with you. You put your hand on the paper and draw the outline. Yes. Yes. If you finish this task, then please raise your hand. Okay, very good, Swara. What about others? Anushka, can you please turn on your camera? Okay, great, great, Mrunmay. Okay, so let's start with the next thing. Now take some color in the plate. Now the next step is take some color. Mostly take a black color, okay? Black or yellow color. You can take either black color or yellow color. Anushka, please turn on your camera. I would like to see what you are doing. Yes, very good. Take some black color. Okay, now there are two types you can use. Either you can pour your finger on the color, or you can apply the brush color directly on the on your hand, on your tip. But very important thing, don't apply max color on your tip, okay, on your finger, because otherwise you cannot see the fingerprint. You only see the color, but you cannot see the structure. Very, very less amount of color you have to apply. Okay. Just a minute. Done. Okay. So now you know that yes. Okay. So you know that this is the index finger, this is the middle finger, this is the ring finger, this is the little finger and the thumb. Okay. So now you applied that color on the index finger. So now print that finger on that shape. So this is my index finger. So I'm going to print that same thing on the respective finger. Yes. Done, student? With one finger? Done, everyone? Okay, great. So your one fingerprint is done. Okay. Now do the same for the other fingers. Now do the same for the remaining fingers. Just important thing is whatever finger you are using, apply that same finger on the paper. Okay. Otherwise, it is difficult to identify. Yes, very good. You are doing amazing job. Yes. So now this is the second middle finger. Now apply color on my ring finger. Okay. Yes. Now apply color on my little finger. And the last one is the thumb. I am applying the color on my thumb finger. Yes. Okay. Are you able to see your finger structure? Great, great. Very good. So now you can see my paper is ready. Yes. All fingerprints are done. Very good, Sangram. Very good, Murunmai. Swara, can you show me? Anushka, can you show me? Yes. Very good. Very good. Oh, very good. Very nice. Yes. Just important thing is don't apply more color. Okay. Great. So I think everyone's page is ready. Now we will move to the next part. Okay. Can someone repeat for me what are the types of structures? 3 types. Is anyone still remember? Yes. So these are the 3 types: arc, loop, and whorl. So now what you have to do? You have to see your structure and identify it. What is the type of your structure? Is it arc or loop or the whorl? Now see your print. See your fingerprint. Everyone, see your fingerprint and identify which structure do you have. And write down those things like this. Yes, see, this is my hand. My little finger is having an arc structure. My ring finger is having the loop structure. The middle finger is having the whorl structure. Index finger is having the whorl structure. And the thumb is having the arc structure. So now you also identify your structure. This is a task for you. तुमच्या फिंगर वरती असे स्ट्रक्चर्स आहेत का हे चेक करा. एव्हरीवन प्लीज चेक. आणि कोणतं आहे त्याचं नाव लिहायचं आहे तिथे. लिहिलं का? प्रत्येक फिंगरला नाव लिहायचं आहे. यू हॅव टू राईट डाऊन द नेम. विच टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर डू यू हॅव? Yes. So if you have the only lines on your fingertip, then that is the arc structure. If you have the circles on your fingertip, then it is the fold structure. And if you have the loop. Okay, Mrunmayee, Sangram, have you done? Can you show me which structure do you have? Okay. Okay, you wrote the name also? You written the name also on that paper? Okay, can you turn on your unmute yourself and tell me what is the structure of your middle finger?
Loop.
Okay, very good. It's a loop. Okay. What about Sangram? What is for index finger?
Arch.
Okay, arc. Okay, good. Anushka, have you completed the task? On your thumb, which kind of structure do you have? Thumb वरती कोणतं structure आहे?
Loop.
Loop. Okay. Swara, can you tell me which structure do you have in the little finger?
Arch.
Arch. Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. So yes. So our first activity is now finished. So you easily find out your structure on your finger. Okay. So do you understand this activity?
Yes.
How to, okay. So where these things are used in real life? So now let's see. So these are the conclusion of your first activity. So human fingerprints are detailed. Okay, means आपले जे fingerprints असतात, our fingerprints are detailed. They are very detailed fingerprints. Okay. Just a minute. Camera. Okay, so our fingerprints are detailed. Then the second important thing is our fingerprints are unique. Okay, so right now Sangram and Mrunmayee are sitting there. Okay, but their both fingerprints are totally different. Okay, so Mrunmayee is having her own fingerprints and Sangram is having his own fingerprints. Swara is having a different fingerprints. Anushka is having a different fingerprints. So our all fingerprints are unique. So this is very important thing and durable over the life of an individual. So when you like before our birth, our fingerprints are growing. Okay, so basically, and it is for lifelong. If you have any injury on your fingers, then it will automatically we can say rework. It will rework and you will get the same fingerprint which you previously have. Okay, and the last important thing is we are using our fingerprints in the forensic lab, in the biometric. So right now in various schools, various offices, we are using the biometric, okay, to give the attendance. Because our this identity is a unique, we can call it as a identity mark. Okay, because our all fingers having a different structure. No one is copied that thing. So this is our unique identity mark. Okay, so yes, this is our first activity. Can everyone show me this type like this? I'll take a screenshot. Okay, Anushka, can you turn on your camera? Wait a minute. Huh? Okay, very good. Yes. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Now we go for the next activity. Activity 2. Using our fingerprint, make a drawing of animal, flowers, etc. Okay, whatever you want. But before that, I'll train you how to do that. Okay, so now take another paper, another drawing paper. Okay, one homework for everyone. One small homework for everyone. Now take a fingerprint of your father and mother. Okay, and identify which structure they have. Okay? And send me a picture of that. Yes. So our second activity required the same material like paper, plate, cloth, pencil, watercolors, etc. The first drawing is a tortoise. We have to make a tortoise, which is a single horizontal print. What is mean by single horizontal print? So, yes, first of all, take a green color in your plate. Do you have a green color? Yes, good, very good. I'll also take the green color. Yes. I'm taking a green color in my plate. Can you do one thing? If your hands are like this, messy, then please wash your hands. Okay, very good, very good. I forgot to use the cloth. Okay. Yes. Very good. Okay, now my hands also clean. Now I apply green color on my finger, on index finger. Okay, on index finger. Apply the green color on index finger. Very lightly. Okay, do not apply more color. Otherwise, it looks bad. You cannot see the structure of your fingerprint. Yes. Now I turn on my another camera. Yes. Now this is my, you can see this is the green color which I, yes, very good, Sarah. Yes. Now you have to just press this finger horizontally. Horizontally means like this. Okay. Wait. I'll show you the next image. Then you can easily understand that thing. Okay, like this, horizontally. Hmm? Yes. So it will look like this. Okay. You also do the same thing. Done? Very good. Very good, Brunmai. Okay, very good, Sangram. Yes, great. Okay. So the next thing is, yeah, now we have to draw that tortoise leg, then tail, then is a face. Okay. So first of all, draw the tail like this. Take a sketch pen and draw the tail. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. This is a tail, a small tail to a tortoise. Okay. Okay. Then it's the leg. Now draw the leg. Yes. Now I draw the leg. You can see. The leg. Okay. Then the third picture is, what we can say to this? Hand. Hand or leg? Yes. And after that, it's face. Okay. Face is like just a circular thing. circular shape. Yes, and our tortoise is ready. Your tortoise look like tortoise, na? Your drawing is looks like tortoise. Okay, okay. Yes, very good, Swara. I like that design. Very good. What about, okay, very good, Sangram. Very good, Mrunmai. Anushka, can you show me? Okay, good. Yes. So do you understand how to apply the finger print horizontally? This is the horizontal structure. Okay. Now you have one task. Now you have one task. Draw a fish with any color like this. Draw a fish with a fingerprint. Drawing a fish. Now you can use the same technique. You have to apply the color in the horizontal direction and give the shape like a fish. Yes, done, Brunmai. Do this activity. This is for you. I'll not tell you how to do this. This is your homework that you have to. No, this is your classwork. Very good. Very good. Swara is doing it very nicely. Have you done with the fish? Yes. Done, everyone? Can you show me your picture? Okay, very nice, Swara. I like that fish.
Thank you.
Yes, your fishes look nice than me, than my fish. Okay. Okay. What about Anushka? What about Brunmai and Sangram? Okay. Immediately clean your hand, huh? Otherwise it will dry. I forgot to clean it. Yes. Shall we move to the next activity? Okay. Now the third thing is drawing of girl. Single vertical girl. Okay. In the previous task, we used the word horizontal. Okay. Horizontal means we apply that color in the horizontal direction. Now what we have to do? We have to apply the color on the tip and okay. Now I'll show you how. Okay. Take another color. Take any other color which we have not used previously. Like take a yellow color. I'm using the yellow color now. Okay. So yes, this is the yellow color and now I'm going to pour my finger in that color. Some glittery color. I apply it like this. Now how to do this? So see everyone, look at me. Everyone, look at me. So you have to apply it like vertically. So previously we do it horizontally like this in this direction. But now we have to do it in the vertical direction. Yes. So now you can see this is the vertical. Done everyone? Okay, good. So next thing is draw a two eyes to that girl. with the help of sketch pen. Yes, these are her eyes. This is her eyes. Okay. Yes. Now the third thing is, yes, Swara, what happened? Have you done with eyes? Okay, okay. Anushka, are you doing it now?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now the third thing is her leg and hands. So draw a vertical line. Draw two hands, draw two legs. Okay, and then after that, draw a different hairs, curly hairs. Oh, our girl is having a curly hairs. See, this is my girl who is having a curly hairs. Very good. Done, everyone? So this is how we did with the vertical printing. So do you understand the difference between horizontal fingerprint and vertical fingerprint? Yes, very good, Swara, very good.
Thank you.
Yes, very good, Sangram, very good, Mrunmai. Yes, Anushka. Okay, very good. Can you come to closer to the camera so that I can see? थोडंसं जवळ येते का? Okay, okay, very good. Good, good. ठीक है. Now the next thing is drawing of frog. Okay, till this point we learned that first we make the drawing by using the horizontal fingerprint, right? What we draw?
Good. Yes.
Yes, no. With the horizontal one, we draw a tortoise and also a fish, right? With the horizontal print. And with the vertical print, vertical means असं उभं जे केलं, that is the vertical print. आडवं जे केलं, that is the horizontal print. Okay. So with the vertical print, we draw the girl. Now the third thing is drawing of frog. Now you have to draw a frog. Okay, do you know frog how it looks like? Yes, yes. Now this time we have to use our two fingers, the little one and the index one. Okay, the little one and the index one. Now use the green color for this. Apply the green color on the index finger and on the little finger. Apply it. Apply the green color. Everyone. Sangram Runmai, apply the green color. Okay. Yes. I have applied the green color. See. Okay. Now I'm going to print this in the horizontal direction. See here what I'm doing. Now I'm going to print this in the horizontal direction. This is very important step. See, this is in the horizontal direction. Okay. Now apply the color on the little finger. Now I'm going to apply the color on the little finger. Yes. And now see here, see the image. Yes. So basically you have to apply the same finger in the vertical direction on above the first shape. Okay. So wait a minute, I'll show you. See. Just a minute, I'm going to apply more color on my face. So it look like this. The one is the horizontal and one is the vertical. Okay. Now draw the eyes and lips. Yes, very good, Swara. Very good.
Thank you.
Eyes. Now draw eyes. And then draw legs. Okay. Legs of the frog. But the leg of the frog are little bit different. You can see here. It like curve shape. Because it sit like this, na? Yes. I have complete my frog. Show me after your completion. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, Swara. Just next time do this, but little bit you have to up that below line. Okay, the leg should be in the color only. Okay. Anushka, can you show me your drawing? Okay, very good, very good. Yes. Now the next thing is, so what we did, we our first drawing is with just a single fingerprint, but in the horizontal direction, which was tortoise. The second one is the vertical one, that is the girl. Then our third drawing is with the two fingers, like one is the little finger and the second one is the index finger. Yes, and by using the two fingers, we made a frog. Now the very interesting for you is the bunny. Do you know bunny, how it looks like? Yes. So now take a blue color for bunny. Take a blue color. Okay. And apply it on index finger. This time also we are going to use two fingers. The first one is the index finger and the second one is the little finger.
What we want to make?
We have to make the bunny, the rabbit. See how we have to make. So first print it in the horizontal direction. Okay. Then apply the color on little finger and draw its ear. So it looks like this. Okay. Your bunnies look like this? Yes, everyone is busy. Everyone is doing this activity. Very good, very good. Yes, very good, Sangram. After finish your this task, then we do some things with the sketch pen. We give some border. Okay. Great, great. Good, good. Good, Mrunmai. Can you show Anushka to me? Okay, okay. Good, good. Very good. Very good. Yes. But Swara, next time please apply a less amount of color. Okay?
Okay.
Ha, good. Otherwise, the shape is a very nice, but apply the little color. If you apply more color, na, then the finger, what we can say, the ridges we cannot see. Hmm? Now the next thing is draw eyes, mouth, and is a more shop. Okay. मोठ्या मिशा काढायच्या आहेत. मिशा मोठ्याच असल्या पाहिजेत. येस, ऑन बोथ द साइड. ऑन बोथ द साइड. Oh, nice, Swara. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay, fine. Anushka, show me. Okay, okay, Mrunmai, good. Yes, yes, very good, very good. Okay, now the next thing is. Okay, now the next thing is butterfly. It looks very nice, huh? Butterfly looks very nice and it is very, it looks very beautiful if you use mixed color. You can mix 2 to 3 colors. Like you can mix the yellow and red color with each other. So apply first yellow layer and the apply then red layer. Okay. So before that, draw this type of structure on your paper. Draw this type structure. First draw it.
Ma'am,
Okay.
finish.
Finish? Okay, very good. Now apply 2 colors. No, first combination of 2 colors on first finger, index finger. Combination of 2 means what? So first you apply the yellow color and on that yellow color you apply the red color. Okay? Yes. Now the same thing you have to apply on the little finger and change the color. Sorry, change the color. Change the color. You can take either green color or blue color or red color also for this. Okay. And now the index finger you have to print like this. At the top side, you have to print with the index finger, and at the bottom the yellow color is with the little finger, and the brown color is with the index finger. Do you understand this? How to draw a butterfly? Okay, okay. Yes. Show me. Okay, very good, very good. Yes, great, great. It looks nice. Okay, very good. Shall we move to the next point? Anushka, have you done with that thing? Oh, very nice, Swara. Very nice. Okay, very nice, Anushka. Just more water you used in your color. Huh? Next time, don't use much water. Hmm? Okay, now the next thing is we have to draw two motion of that, what we can say, of butterfly. And our butterfly is get ready. Yes, very good, Sangram. Very good, Swara. Sangram, can you show me again? Good, very good, very good. Okay, fine. Now the next thing is, okay, till this point, we completed our second activity. Okay, now tell me what are the shapes are on your drawing sheet? One by one. Okay, I'll ask everyone. So first, Anushka, can you tell me any one shape, any one animal which you have drawn? Yes, Anushka. आता आपण काय काय काढलं त्यातलं एकाचं नाव सांगू शकते तुम्हाला?
Yes, ma'am.
हा, yes, tell me.
Tortoise.
Tortoise. Okay, very good. And tortoise we made with the what kind of structure, like horizontal or vertical?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. Okay, fine. Very good. Now the next thing is next Swara. Yes, Swara, tell me.
A fish.
Fish. Very good. Fish we have draw with the horizontal one or the vertical one?
Horizontal.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Yes. Sangram, can you tell me next?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Yes. And what kind of structure we are using? Vertical, horizontal, or anything?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. Okay. Some of you, few of you use the horizontal one, and some few of you are use the vertical one. Okay. So it is the mixture of both the things. Hmm? Yes. Mrunmai, tell me the remaining
Girl.
one. Girl. And which is used by?
Vertical.
Vertical. Very good. Now you understand. One thing is, two things still remain. Two animals still remain. Yes, Svara?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Yes. Yes. And one more is there. Frog is there. Okay. Frog is there. So yes, now draw. Now I'll tell you few names of the animals, and you have to imagine and you have to create by your own thinking and draw it. Okay, and show me. Okay. Now draw the structure of mouse. Okay. Draw. Someone draw structure of mouse. Someone draw a structure of cat. Someone draw a flower. And someone draw a bike or aeroplane. Or if you have any idea, anyone, if you have any idea instead of this, then you can use that idea and show me. Okay. You have a 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes for this activity. Okay.
Ma'am, my mouse.
Show me. Oh, oh, very good, Swara. Very good. Okay.
Thank
Now
you.
can you draw a flower?
Yes.
Now you draw flowers. Okay. Last 1 minute and then we will go to the third activity. Okay. And which is the last activity of today's session.
Ma'am, I can draw one flower.
Yes, you can draw one flower. Okay, now I'll show you one image. After this, I'll show you one image and you can draw that thing. Okay. Everyone is busy. Okay. So now the next thing is, okay, wow, very nice, Runmai. I like that bike. Oh, great. It is a bike or bicycle?
Bicycle.
Oh, it is a bicycle. Okay, excellent. Okay, now I'll show you one image and everyone try to do that, okay? And after that, we will switch to our third activity.
Ma'am, my flower.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay, very good, Anushka, very good.
My
Oh,
bike.
Sangram's bike is also very nice. Beautiful. Anushka's mouse also nice. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay. Now I'll show you one image and try to do the same. Okay. Yes. You have a 3 minutes for this activity. Okay. And I'll see who's the best design is this. Who will do the best. Come on, come on, come on. Do it fast. Yes. Red color, yellow color, green color. Last 2 minutes. You can draw any 2 flowers also. No problem. Oh, Swara is doing so fast. Oh, last 1 minute. I would like to check whether your creativity, then your imagination. Yes,
Ma'am?
yes, yes,
Ma'am,
Swara.
I can use another color.
Yes, yes, yes. I told previously that students will experiment while doing this activity. They change the color by their own. They like to change the colors. In our class, everyone is artist. Huh? Yes, very good. Wow, very nice. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Very good, Vrunmai. Very good, Sangram. Sangram, why you draw at the corner? Yes, Anushka. Good, good. Very good. What about Swara?
I'm I'm doing.
Okay. So how much time you take for the remaining work?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Oh my God. So we have to wait for 5 minutes. Okay. And the last, okay. After this, be ready with one paper sheet, one new paper sheet, the new one. We required 3 papers now, so the new one. Take a new paper sheet. Yes.
And you can close the photo.
Oh. Just a minute. Okay. So shall we start with the third activity? Swara, can you do it later? Or how much things are remain? Can you show me your drawing?
Only one flower.
Only one flower. Okay, do it fast. Okay. Till that time, I'll tell everyone about our next activity. So this is what we had done. Okay. Now in next activity, we only use our thumb. Okay. Only thumb art. Only by using a thumb. Okay. Very good, Swara. Very good. Yes. So by using the thumb, we can make different balloons. Okay. So take a paper. Everyone take a paper.
Ma'am, I have taken.
You have taken. Okay. Now draw the structure like this, wave type structure on your paper. So,
Okay.
put some area at the top side, at the bottom side, and in the middle side. Okay. See, like this.
Ma'am, this.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
like this.
Yes, yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now the next thing is take a yellow, any color which you like. I'll take the yellow color and red color combination. So you have to use the combination of 2 color which you like. So I like yellow and red color. So I'm going to going to use this both color. Okay. Any 3 colors also you can take. So basically first apply the yellow color on the thumb and print like this. See the image? Print like this. Okay. Keep the distance between 2 thumb print. Keep the distance between 2 thumb print. This is very important because we are using the another color between 2 colors, between the yellow. You can print like zigzag way. You can print like zigzag way also. This one is the top side, one is at the bottom side. And then we can finish this activity by using the single color if you're using the zigzag structure. Wait, I'll show you this. Like this. Everyone see like this. You have to do like this. Okay. Now I'm going to apply the another color. We'll use the red color here.
Man, I have mixed a yellow and red and that make a dark green.
Okay, okay. Now I'm going to apply the red color at the below line. In the zigzag way only. Keep some distance in the middle, because we have to write something there. Okay, now see, my thing is look like this. Everyone, look at here. Okay. Done with the both the lines? Have you done with the both the lines? Students, do it fast.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Okay, good. Okay. Now the next thing is you have to draw a border. So basically, these are the birds. We can call it as a birds, or we can call it as a balloons. We can say it as a balloon. So draw a border here, either like a balloon or like a bird.
What we have to do?
So the thumbprints which are on the upper side, you can call it as a bird. Okay. So you have to just see. You have to just draw two dots, two eyes and mouth like this. Okay. Is it visible?
Yes.
Huh. Draw with all upper one part. Huh? And for the below one,
Ma'am, I do word of this way.
okay, okay, no problem. Do it with all the thumbprint. Do it with all thumbprint.
Okay. Mama.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can yellow color balloons.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I
Good. Good. Very good. Very good, everyone. Very good. Very good, Swara. Okay. Now the next thing is what we have to do here. So basically, this workshop is arranged by Fab 16 Monitril. Okay, you can see the name here on the logo. Are you able to see the name? Fab 16 Monitril. Everyone see this logo. Fab 16 Monitril. Okay, so you have to write in the middle, thank you, Fab 16 Monitril. Write down that thing by using the sketch pen. By using the sketch pen, write down thank you Fab 16 like this. Wait a minute. Like this. Thank you Fab 16 Monitril. After that, we will make one boy or girl's picture here. But before that, thank you Fab 16 Monitril. You have to write that. You can write by in your way, in your handwriting, in your style. Do it some creatively. Thank you. Fab 16 Monitril. Okay, now you can see this is mine. Yes. Okay. Now at the upper side here, you write your name. So for example, my name is Arundhati. So I'm going to write my name here. I am Arundhati. Okay. Now do not add this little boy here. We can add it at the bottom side. Okay. At here. At this side. We add one girl and one boy here. One girl and one boy. Okay. Now draw one girl and boy by using a thumb art. You know how to draw a girl and boy. Yes. You can copy this thing. One girl and one boy. Swara, do you understand what you have to do? You can use any color for this. So the vertical is the way. I'm using the green color. Okay. Now you can see here one is girl and one is boy. Now I'm going to work with a sketch pen to give him a shape. Girl is having a curly hairs. Okay. Done everyone? So this is a girl and this is a boy. I am Arundhati. Thank you, Fab 16 Monitril. Yes. After this, show me your work. Very good, Swara. Aha, nice. I like that both girl and boy, huh? Sangram, can you show me? Okay. So I think everyone has finished their work. Anushka, can you show me? Okay, okay, good, very good, Anushka. Okay, now everyone, please keep your pages like this. Wait a minute, I'll turn on my front camera. Yes. Everyone, Anushka, Sangram, and also your face also I want to see. I want to capture. Yes, very good. Mrunmay, can you show me? So I'll take the photo picture. Yes. Anushka, can you just a minute? Wait a minute. Again. Okay. Okay. Yes. Very good. Very excellent work. Okay. So I'll share you one form right now. You have to fill that form, which is important. And yes, I would like to hear about this workshop from you, everyone. So do you like this workshop or just a minute? I'll share you the feedback form. Wait a minute. I'll copy that thing in the chat box. Everyone, please fill this feedback form later, not right now, but I would like to hear from you. Do you like this workshop? No, unmute yourself and tell me. Unmute yourself.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Yes. Have you enjoyed all the activities?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Do you understand what type of structure we have on our hand?
Yes.
What are the names? Can someone tell me? Arc, loop, and rule. Okay, so these are the three structures that we are using. Then we use some horizontal print, then vertical print. Then by using the two fingers, we made bike, then bunny, then what we can say butterfly. So likewise, and at the end, we say thank you to Fab 16 for organizing this workshop. Okay. So please fill the feedback form and share your images, whatever you work done with me on WhatsApp. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, from Fab Lab Veena, can you please give your feedback for this workshop?